mosh pit's cool, just look after my cameraman. I've got to get my face looking 10. These things first, Rico, let's drop that again. Boy, you know what it does every single time. They tried to deny it, but it never worked. Let's go! Yeah, good on this one. Hey, good on this one. Ready? Let's go, Baby, tell me what you know about this. I'm the king of my surroundings. Look at this, can you count this? Look, can you out this? I'm the man, so I wear the trousers. My ex tell me about this. My ex tell me about this. Tell me what you know 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 about this.
Some on my right hand.
Tell us.
Tyrex on my left.
Tell us how the inside was.
It was very packed. I was very hot. Like a workout.
How's the mosh?
It was a hot mosh. Is there different types of mosh?
I've never been in one that hot.
Was it actually that hot? What's Corey's take on it? Corey, was it a hot mosh?
Corey, what's your take on the mosh? It was a hot mosh. It was a hot mosh.
Is there like some moshes with ventilation?
Unless you're at wireless.
You guys washing out.
Base, I got you on this one. Oh Lord, new wave. So wavy.
Nah, I love it, man. They're the reason I do this. You feel me?
That's not the only reason.
Okay, obviously, other reasons as well.
Don't guess it. Man is trying to act like he's a nice person, like he's charitable and all that.
You trying to say I'm not a nice guy?
Alright.
You know I'm a nice guy.
You're cool,
man.
but I'm just saying you're not doing this for the school kids. You're not doing this for the love of the.
You see,
the people.
you're just trying to say I'm doing it for the ladies, innit?
No. You're doing obviously ladies, money, obviously, and then
of
fans.
course.
Yeah.
Of course.
I'm just saying I don't guess it, innit?
And she's trying to get her to.
I'm not trying to get down.
Tell her relax.
Can I just
point
out to anyone listening right now? Baseman is actually my homie from day, so I'm allowed to do this. Yeah, I'm allowed to do this. I'm allowed to get over him.
Give some balls.
You came out like a shot in the game. Like he's apologising for the waving.
Now I'm just apologising. Like, this is me, man. I'm sorry. If I'm dropping too much sauce on you, man, I'm sorry.
Fingers up, people. London. Little fingers up in the air one time to the people. I just rip out the work. cocaine. I think I'm going to the kid and it's to make buzz. She called outside with a bitch in the south. And then you went broke to a nigga just nigga around shit. Streets in my proof. What all these dudes get spun out some more. These don't name to the game, cause you can get spun out your crowd, spun out your fraud. And these four best these done these don't even next to us on the road. Don't pass no girl to the MVP. Used to be a kid with the MTG. Just be front of the trees and YouTube the blood that I deal with the MP3. My nigga, I've been back from the prison in my 60s. Hey! Looking for my 60s. 20 bands on me, I didn't wanna get me. I didn't wanna get me. Cause I blew up on the food, I was selling like the junkies. And that's the shit I came from the bottom, my nigga, when the rain, I'm so slow. I said I came from the bottom, my nigga, when I want sold out show. Begging for me, looking at these niggas gonna pay my fees. And once I get a blue tick, bitch, I promise I'ma sell no trees. I know about my rock. Run up in the town like a boss, and I'm that fool up the yacht. No, they're going off when it's meant to the boy get dropped. You can't all move forward, man, he said he won't do it. I said, bro, I don't want to know his emails, I ain't know it. He said, treat me like boss, but he was on the let's do this. And then I thought, me, man, it's fucked up, so I'll be that so